Today I'm going to take an interesting quiz to test your knowledge. Subscribe my channel for more quiz videos.
Which animal can fly? Dog, fish, bird. Bird. Which animal lives in water? Cat, fish, cow. Fish. Which animal says meow? Dog, cow, cat. Cat. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Elephant, lion, deer. Lion. Which animal has a long trunk? Giraffe, horse, elephant. Elephant. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, horse, dog. Cheetah. Which animal moves very slowly? Rabbit, tiger, snail. Snail. Which vehicle moves fastest? Bicycle, car, airplane. Airplane. Who usually wins a race? Turtle, rabbit, snail. Rabbit. Which animal can run faster? Cow, horse, goat. Horse.
Now write in the comment section how many questions you have answered right.